Well, we prepare for our journey to go get a new project car, but you know, the glorious Northeast, and we had to get dumped on with like 2 feet of snow last night. So unburying the trailer and getting everything ready to go. And yeah, it's gonna be a 25-hour trip, so we'll bring you along on this and see how it goes. But yeah, be right back. Let me go get this trailer undug. Well, we're on our way. 7 o'clock at night, and it says we'll be there at 5 in the morning, but that's hard to believe. So yeah, we'll check in at our next stop. We've made it about an hour and a half. It's going great so far. So this fantastic bullshit happening of my side only wants to blow cold air out of my vents. We're trying to reset the heater right now because uncomfortably cold in here. Jordan's got scorching hot air coming out on his side. I have ice cold air from the outside on my side blowing on my feet, and he might have got it reset. Well, I at least have heat coming out in my vents now. Let's see what happens when I kick it to the floor. See if I can get some heat on my feet. And cold air, kind of lukewarm, but better than it was. So I have at least lukewarm air on my feet now. I at least have heat coming out of my vents. So, well, hour and a half in, we're already having technical difficulties, but we'll see how this goes. So we're just about to Rochester, trying to reset the heat again. I've been driving with my foot on the heater vent so I can keep my foot warm. Yay. Well, we've made it to Erie, Pennsylvania. Time to muzzle up, get some fuel and some snacks. Fucking diesel is expensive here. $3.31, awesome. Still no heat for my feet. So, how many hours are we in? What did we leave at 6:30?
Yeah.
We're just about to be leaving Pennsylvania on our way to Cleveland. Yeah, we got bent over for fuel. Had to reactivate my debit card, said it was suspicious actions. So here we are, driving in the night. We'll hit time zone here soon, and then we'll still be driving for the same hour. All right, till yeah, in my dirty ass window, but yeah, we'll be back. Well, this is gonna slow us down a little bit. We kind of hit a blizzard here just outside of Cleveland, so we're slowing right down because I can't see more than like 10 feet in front of me or 3 feet in front of me. Jesus Christ. Well, we're gonna be right back. Yay, blizzard driving. Where the fuck is the road? Yay. Down to 30. I think I'm like in the middle of the highway. I don't even know right now.
Oh, we are.
Oh, we might be clearing up a little bit here. Wow. Awesome. Alright, we'll pick some speed back up for a minute. Well, maybe not. So, we go from an absolute blizzard to absolutely zero snow and grass. Yeah. Well, either way, we're on our way out of Cleveland now. I don't know, are we halfway there? No, we're not halfway there. It says, well, 3 more hours anyways. Almost 4. Yeah. So the fun, we're way past. We're almost to Toledo, Ohio, and pulled into the service exit, get some more fuel. Yeah, and then we come back here to check on our trailer. The brake light went out, and then we noticed, oh, the pin broke, and we lost our ramps. So we're like 600 miles away from home, and the fucking ramps flew off the trailer somewhere. So we're gonna get fuel, and hopefully we can find a set of ramps on our journeys here. Yay. Keeps getting better. Now our top blew open on the toolbox. So I think we didn't lose anything this time, hopefully. It's broke. We're here. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do about ramps. 8 in the morning. Well, hour later our time. All right, we got new ramps. We got the taillight fixed, and it's on the trailer. We're not gonna show you what it is till we're home with it, because this trip has been fucking complete jinx job the entire way. So yeah, we're gonna try and make it back without road killing this again. We've had lots of stuff break. No ramps. It was fun loading it up on really short ramps too. We had to play games with that. So we're on our way back. 13 hours, 14 minutes. Probably going to take longer than that, but yeah, if anything happens, we'll get back to it. Get fuel. Might as well show you what it is. Why not? There it is. We'll go over it a little more when we get home with it, but it's all loaded up after all our mishaps. And we're on our 13 hours back now. Fun stuff. But yeah. New ramps. And closing the toolbox and loading the car on short ramps. That was fun, building little plank things, which we could have got a video, but we don't have enough arms, hands, and legs. We're not big money like some of these people that can carry, have a cameraman. Yeah, we don't have a cameraman back there. Yeah. So we're on our way back, and when get back, I'll give a closer look at the new project here, and yeah, maybe be like 36 hours or something like that after I sleep for the next 3 days. But if anything happens, we'll be back on, like if we get caught in another blizzard or whatever. But strangely enough, there's no snow here at all. This is where we drove through the blizzard, and there's grass. But yeah. Anyways, we'll be back at some point. We won't do the drive down the road, show us driving for hours then. Or maybe we will. Because why not? Just kidding. The 1,700 mile basically roadkill episode trip. We got it back. There it is, one of the Enuos Cosmos here in the US, and go into it a little more. It's dirty as hell right now from the trip. Snow and ice all over it. but it's -2 out when we got here, and we'll get into this thing quite a bit. We're going to be doing a lot to it. New turbo, stuff like that. Twins are in the trunk. The emblem in the grill is actually in the trunk too. I gotta fix the lip on it, but well, it's the least of the worst. It's here after a really crappy trip anyhow. So yeah, we'll be digging into this thing here soon, and yeah, should be a pretty cool project either way. But I'll show you guys the interior and all that other stuff later. It's cold out here. I'm already freezing. So thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, we got a lot more coming.